Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video, I would like to show you how to crochet the back post double crochet stitch. This is a beautiful stitch that adds some texture to your crochet projects.
Okay, so to do a back post double crochet, we're going to yarn over just like you would in a double crochet, and we're going to go around the post, this post right here, but instead of doing it from the front to the back, we're going to go back to front. Yarn over, pull that yarn up, yarn through 2 loops, yarn over through the last 2 loops to make the double crochet. Again, yarn over, front or back to front, and then front to back so that we have the vertical bar on our hook. Yarn over, pull that yarn up. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and we've just made a double crochet. Let's try this again. Yarn over, insert hook, back to front and front to back, so we have that post on our hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, so we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do a couple of more. Two. All right, now let's take a look at our work. We've done a few back post double crochets. Remember, this was front, that was back. But when I turn my work over, assuming this is the right side or the front side, we eliminate this bump, or we keep it all on the wrong side. We keep it all on the wrong side of our work. Front post double crochet, back post double crochet. See how it just extends that line? Let's try a few more. Yarn over, insert hook, back to front, front to back, so it goes right through this bar or post. Yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. And you just continue that. Back to front, regular double crochet. We're just inserting our hook around the post instead of through the stitches.
Thank you for watching my YouTube video on how to crochet